Good afternoon. This is just going to be a quick update video about the first exam and the week September 14th through September 20th. So first of all, I want, let's share my screen. Here is your assignment manager, and if you view it and set the view to a month, you should be able to view all of September. And if you're viewing all of September, there's this orange square right there. And this orange square is the optional practice test 1. So exam 1 is going to be on sections 2.1 through 2.6. And if you click this, it's got 60 questions and all of them are practice questions, so you can feel free to go through them. It won't be counted towards your grade, it won't be counted against your grade, but it's going to make a really good study tool for you. Further, if you go into our WYO courses page and you click on assignments, you'll see that written homework 1 has been assigned and it's due September 16th at midnight. It's only worth 15 points, but you can go ahead and download it, open that bad boy up. And it should look something like this. So the first one is just taking this analytical function, right? A function that is an algebraic equation because we've got a square root function in the denominator. So this is an algebraic function. And I'm asking you to find 3 of the limits. And if you can't find a limit for some reason, explain why and cite a theorem if it's applicable. It's a limit because the left hand limit and the right hand limit are both the same, right? That's the sort of thing I want from you. Determine whether or not the function is continuous at a, where a equals 0, and then determine why the limit of, this should be as x goes to 0. I'll repost this with a correction, sine of x over x equals 1, and cite any relevant theorems and show your work. So what I'm grading for is correctness, certainly, and then also I'm grading on presentation of your work. So not only do you need to get the answer correct, you need to show me that you can word things and communicate mathematics really effectively. So it's not just enough to say, this is the limit, this is the limit, this is the limit. I also want to see relevant work, boxed answers, stuff like that. If you had to cite a theorem, say, this theorem says this, therefore I can use this. I really want you to communicate mathematics to me. That's the goal of the written homework. So you've got a written homework due, you've got an exam coming up this week, and you've got practice exam that you can work on. And I'll be posting videos for section 2 or 2.1 and section 3.1 pretty soon.